Now we're going to look at some of the basic selection methods inside of Photoshop. Our aim is to pull some sections of our image to focus on, and begin to create the composition of our concept board. We'll start by looking at the rectangle marquee tool located in the Tools panel. The rectangle tool allows you to click and drag to select. Let's click and drag a box over our plant pot in the image, and then release to make a selection. With this selection, we can right click and click Layer via Copy. This will create a new image layer with our selected area on it. We can now move our selected area with Ctrl-T to enter Free Transform. Drag the image to the top right and make the layer around 800 pixels in the width. The next selection method we will look at is the elliptical marquee tool. Click and hold the rectangle marquee to find this tool. Once selected, we need to make sure that we have clicked our original image layer, and let's draw over the wall to sample the texture. Hold Shift while moving the mouse to keep it a perfect circle, release, right click, and then Layer via Copy. Enter Free Transform, scale to around 360 pixels, and position below the plant pot. We'll do the same again with the blanket, select our original layer, and repeat the same steps. More selection methods in Photoshop include the lasso and polygonal selection tools. The lasso allows you to click and draw with the mouse to create any shape, while polygonal allows you to click and draw perfectly straight lines. There are also the magic wand selection tools. These are slightly more advanced, and I urge you to play with these in your own time. That brings us to the end of basic selection methods inside of Photoshop.